Welcome to the Homestead. My name is Renee. Tonight we're going to have meatball subs. Follow along. Let's get cooking. It's going to be delicious.
The grip is too good, Jackson. It's too good. You go, dog. Pew. Good catch. Good catch, Jackson. That was so good. That was so good. You go, boy. You go, boy. You go, boy. Oh. Oh, nice catch. Nice catch, sir. And outside he goes. Oh, boy. You're so adorable. Adorable. Relocated. What'd you do that for? What do you have to climb? Did I hit the nail on the head there? I looked in there and I thought, I actually said,
Alright, these are going to go in the air fryer, 390 degrees. We're going to start with 10 minutes. I'll flip them after 5. I'm going to get these homemade buns toasted up that I made. Hey, Lily.
hello.
Butter these up and put garlic on it, so it'll be like little garlic bread, and I'm going to toast them up. Alright, now we'll sprinkle this with some garlic powder, so it'll be like garlic bread with our meatball subs. Oh my goodness! Look at those meatballs! Yum! So I did it 5 minutes on one side, and then I flipped it and did it 4 more minutes. And the caramelization is beautiful! Yum! Here's how I season up Brussels sprouts. I put in some butter. Do some garlic powder. Onion powder. Measure with your heart there. salt and pepper. And then we're just going to give that a mix. Also, since I already had the Parmesan out tonight for the subs, I'm going to add some of that to our Brussels sprouts too. Yummy! Well, the marinara did give me another job for tomorrow because it splattered everywhere because I didn't cover it. Let's plate this up here. So there is the bun. My husband doesn't mind my fingers.
I love your fingers, honey.
Thanks. I'm gonna put the sauce on. Oh, you couldn't see the sauce. Shoot. All right. And then the cheese. This is my bottom, so I'm going to kind of press here. Just trying to make a little bit of a well for my meatballs. Put some of that on the garlic bread. All right, let's get that cheese melted. Yum. All right, we got the cheese melted on there. All right, here we go. There's a cheese ball. Mm-hmm. Thank you for watching, and thank you for spending your time with me. Until next time, God bless. Meatball subs. Yum.